The smartwatch world is about to change forever. Apple is preparing to drop a massive bomb on the tech industry, and it is going to make your current smartwatch look like an ancient relic. If you are thinking about buying a new wearable right now, you need to stop and wait. Huge supply chain leaks have just revealed that the next flagship Apple Watch is getting a complete, ground-up transformation. We are talking about massive design changes, double the sensors, and a battery life that sounds absolutely impossible. This is not just a minor yearly update. This is a total revolution. For years, Apple Watch users have had the exact same complaint about the Premium Ultra model. It is just too bulky. It is a giant brick on your wrist that catches on your sleeves and feels heavy during workouts. But Apple has finally listened to the critics. According to the latest reports from the production lines, the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 4 is getting a radically thinner chassis. Apple is using a highly advanced grade 5 titanium frame to slim the device down significantly. This means the watch will be incredibly light and much more comfortable for everyday wear, without losing any of its legendary durability. But when you make a smartwatch thinner, it raises a massive question. What happens to the battery life? Usually, a slimmer body means a smaller battery, but Apple has a brilliant trick up its sleeve. The Ultra 4 will feature a next-generation S-series chip. This processor is built from the ground up to be insanely efficient. It delivers lightning-fast performance while sipping power at a fraction of the rate of older models. Because of this engineering breakthrough, early reports suggest Apple is actually aiming for a mind-blowing 100-hour battery life. Imagine going nearly 5 days on a single charge with a watch that is thinner than ever before. It completely changes the game for hikers, travelers, and anyone tired of charging their watch every single night. The upgrades do not stop with the design. In fact, the biggest change happens when you flip the watch over. Staring right at you on the back is a brand new 8-sensor health array. Apple has essentially doubled the number of sensors to provide unmatched accuracy for fitness and medical tracking. The big headline feature this year is blood pressure trend monitoring. The Ultra 4 will be able to detect unusual spikes and dangerous patterns in your blood pressure without needing a tight, uncomfortable arm cuff. Now, if you were hoping for the long-rumored non-invasive blood glucose sensor, insiders on Wearable claim it is still not quite ready for prime time. Instead, Apple is pivoting heavily into advanced AI-powered health insights. Using the massive data from the new 8-sensor array, the watch will use onboard artificial intelligence to spot long-term health trends, warn you about potential illnesses before they happen, and provide deeply personalized coaching. The front of the watch is getting a gorgeous facelift, too. Outdoor enthusiasts are going to absolutely love the new display. Apple is upgrading the screen to a cutting-edge wide-angle LTPO3 panel. If you have ever tried to glance at your watch from a weird angle while running or cycling, you know how hard it can be to read. This new panel fixes that completely by boosting visibility from sharp side angles, while simultaneously consuming way less power. Even better, Apple is introducing a next-generation anodization coating for the dark titanium models. This specialized engineering process actually hardens the molecular structure of the outer layer. It makes the dark finish almost entirely immune to scratches, scuffs, and the rough abuse of outdoor adventures. It will look brand new even after years of hard use. Production lines are officially ramping up right now through July to meet Apple's strict timeline. You can expect the tech giant to officially reveal this powerhouse in September alongside the highly anticipated next-generation iPhones. The best part, leaked pricing points to a starting tag of $799. This keeps it right in line with previous premium models, meaning you are getting a massive generational leap without paying a higher price penalty. But the Apple ecosystem is facing some massive drama behind the scenes right now. Alongside these product leaks, a staggering 630-gigabyte data breach of Apple's confidential information has just hit the internet. This massive leak reportedly includes top-secret blueprints for the future iPhone 18 series, the highly anticipated iPhone Fold, and several other unreleased projects. If you want to see all the crazy details on that massive security breach, you can check out our dedicated video linked in the iCard section and down in the description below. In my honest opinion, the Apple Watch Ultra 4 is shaping up to be the most exciting wearable Apple has released since the very first Apple Watch. For the past few years, smartwatch updates have felt incredibly boring and repetitive. They gave us slightly brighter screens or minor software tweaks that barely justified an upgrade. This watch completely shatters that boring cycle. By fixing the bulky design, doubling the health tracking capabilities, and pushing the battery life to a legendary 100 hours, Apple is completely widening the gap between themselves and the competition. It makes the standard aluminum Apple Watches and older Ultra models look completely obsolete. If you own an older series watch or even a first-generation Ultra, this is the definitive moment to upgrade. It is going to dominate the entire smartwatch industry and set a benchmark that competitors will struggle to hit for years. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 4? Which feature are you most excited about? Is the 100-hour battery life enough to make you buy one, or are you more interested in the new slim titanium design and advanced blood pressure tracking? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel, share the video with your tech-loving friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another breaking tech update.